Who would have thought that a broken pair of pliers and a few ordinary nails could be transformed into an incredible multi-purpose tool? Most people would have thrown these damaged pliers into the scrap pile, but this skilled craftsman saw potential where others saw waste. The project began by modifying the pliers with two long nails, carefully installed at the joints to create a sharp, compass-like mechanism capable of marking circles and precise measurements. Next came the real transformation. The pliers were secured in a vise and an angle grinder was used to cut and reshape the original structure. Sparks flew as the old tool was dismantled and prepared for a completely new purpose. To build the main frame, a flat steel bar was cut and adjusted to the required dimensions. A long bolt was then attached to the steel bar, forming a T-shaped assembly through drilling and welding. Several nuts were added and carefully positioned to create an adjustable mechanism. As the adjustment knob was turned, the bolt moved smoothly, allowing precise control over the clamping force. What was once a broken pair of pliers had now become a versatile mechanical clamping tool. But that's not all. Thanks to its sharp, pointed ends, the tool can also be used for drawing circles and marking wood with impressive accuracy. The reinforced steel frame even allows it to be used for striking and applying force when needed. The final result is a practical multifunction tool made almost entirely from scrap materials, proving once again that creativity and skill can give new life to discarded metal. What do you think of this amazing transformation? If you had to rate this homemade multi-purpose tool out of 100, what score would you give it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy creative DIY projects, metalworking, and incredible scrap metal inventions, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next amazing build.